Welcome back to Tech Vibe. Today we're reviewing the Rog Nuc 2025, ASUS's latest small-form gaming PC that aims to pack desktop power into a box you can hold in one hand. It's small, it's sleek, and it's built to deliver big performance. For gamers and creators who want a compact setup without compromise, we're starting with the most important part, how it plays games. Before breaking down the rest of the experience, if you're buying the Rog Nuc 2025, gaming is probably at the top of your list, and this little machine doesn't disappoint. Powered by the latest Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and NVIDIA's RTX 50 series GPU options, it handles modern AAA titles with ease. I tested it with games like Cyberpunk 2077, Baldur's Gate 3, and Forza Horizon 5, all running at high 2 Ultra settings in 144p and 4K. Frame rates stayed smooth, often well above 100 FPS in 144p, and even demanding ray-traced scenes stayed playable thanks to DLSS 3.5. eSports performance is where it really shines. Games like Valorant, Apex Legends, and Fortnite hit very high frame rates, making competitive play buttery smooth. Input lag is minimal, and the system stays responsive even under heavy load. If you're coming from a laptop or older desktop, you'll instantly feel the difference. Thermal performance is impressive for a system this small. ASUS has built a custom cooling system with vapor chamber technology, and it keeps the GPU and CPU temperatures under control without the fans getting unbearably loud. You'll hear them when you're pushing the system hard, but in quieter moments they blend into the background. Now, let's talk about the design. The Rog Nuc 2025 looks like a futuristic cube, small enough to sit on a desk without taking much space, but with sharp angles and subtle Rog branding that make it clear this is a gaming device. The matte finish resists fingerprints, and the build quality feels premium. It's solid, with no creaks or flecks, and the side panels have ventilation cutouts to help with airflow. On the front, you get a couple of quick access ports, including USB-C and a headphone jack, along with an RGB strip that can be customized through Armoury crate. Around the back, there's a generous selection of ports for monitors, peripherals, and networking, including HDMI 2.1 DisplayPort, multiple USB-A and USB-C, and a 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port. It's ready for multi-monitor setups and high-speed connections. The compact size makes it perfect for minimal setups or small living spaces. You can easily move it between rooms or take it to events. It's not heavy, and the included stand lets you position it vertically or horizontally. Inside, it's easy to upgrade. You can swap RAM, storage, or even the GPU module with minimal effort. ASUS has designed the Nuc with future upgrades in mind, so you won't be locked into the same specs forever. The display output is crystal clear, supporting up to triple 4K monitors or an 8000 display. This is great not only for gaming but also for creative work like video editing or 3D modeling. Speaking of creative work, performance outside of gaming is equally strong. Video rendering in Adobe Premiere Pro is fast. Large Photoshop projects load instantly, and 3D modeling in Blender runs smoothly. The combination of powerful CPU cores and a high-end GPU makes it a capable workstation in addition to being a gaming beast. Storage is also quick, thanks to PCIe Gen 5 SSD support. Game load times are lightning fast, and large project files open instantly. The system boots in seconds. And installing new games is faster if you have a high-speed internet connection. Software integration is clean. Armoury Crate lets you control performance modes, fan curves, RGB lighting, and system monitoring all in one place. You can switch between quiet, balanced, and turbo modes depending on what you're doing. Audio is solid too. While most people will use a headset, the built-in audio output is clear with a good amount of detail, and there's support for high-res audio if you're using premium headphones. Connectivity is future-ready with Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and that 2.5 gigabits Ethernet port for low latency online play. In testing, downloads were extremely fast, and streaming bitrate 4K. Video was smooth without buffering. Power efficiency is better than you might expect for the performance level. In idle or low-power tasks, the Nuc sips electricity, but when gaming or rendering, it ramps up to deliver the performance you need. The price is high compared to a standard desktop, but you're paying for the engineering that fits high-end components into such a small space. Considering its size, performance, and upgradability, It's a solid value for anyone who wants a powerful PC without a massive tower. Pros include outstanding gaming performance, compact design, easy upgradability, quiet cooling, and strong connectivity. Cons are the higher price, limited internal space for additional drives, and fans that can get noticeable under maximum load. Final verdict. The Rog Nuc 2025 is proof that you don't need a huge PC case to get top-tier performance. It's a gaming powerhouse that doubles as a capable creative workstation, all in a form factor that's easy to fit anywhere. If you want a small system that can handle anything you throw at it, this is one of the best options on the market. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this review, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest deep dives into the world of gaming and technology. See you in the next one.